As I'm watching this video, I quickly want to show you how Mohbad's body was exhumed for autopsy by the Nigerian police. Let me quickly show you. This is where everything started, where the exhumption started. Yeah, it was moved. In fact, to be honest, they didn't even use a normal size coffee for him, where he was squeezed in this coffee. That's so sad. They made this guy just go through hell during his life and death. And are trying to move his body. It's so sad. I pray he get justice.
Body bag.
I pray these guys get justice because I pray all the I don't know what they are waiting for. They should have arrested the suspect. I don't know. As of now, nobody has been arrested, which is very sad.
Oh, what point? Now. Be able to put it there. Why don't you bring it out here? Oh, the power and bill. That's way by anybody bag now. Kò ṣe gbé sókè bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Body bag làwọn èèyàn máa fi bá wa fà sókè. Àwa mẹ́ta yóò lè dá gbé sókè. Àwọn èèyàn ọ̀dẹ̀ níbẹ̀ fọwọ́ kàn. Tí o body bag yìí làwọn èèyàn sì lè bá wa gbé. Ẹ̀bẹ́ yìí náà. Àbíkọ́ dàbò. Ẹ bá ti gbé ọ̀rọ̀ méjèèjì wọ́n ti bọ́ bí ẹsẹ̀. Ẹ̀kọ́ dàbò. Tá bá ti gbé aṣọ yẹn sókè, wọ́n máa ti bọ́ bí ẹsẹ̀. Wọ́n á ti bọ́ sàgbẹ̀ báyìí. Èdè máa gbé bí. Ẹ jáde ẹ sókè lọ. Ẹ já ẹsẹ̀ sókè.
After watching these videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. I will bring you more updates on Mohbad's death. So kindly subscribe, guys. Subscribe and share to your loved ones. Kindly subscribe, guys. Keep sharing and subscribe.